Designing a big Cartel website is straightforward and allows you to create a visually appealing online store. Here's how to get started. Choose a theme. Log into your big Cartel account. Go to the Design tab to browse available themes. Select a theme that matches your brand style. Many themes are customizable, ensuring flexibility. Customize your theme. After selecting a theme, click Customize. Here, you can modify colors, fonts, and layout. Use the preview feature to see changes in real time. Focus on key elements like header, footer, and product display. Add your logo. Upload your logo in the design settings. This enhances brand recognition. Ensure the logo is high resolution and aligns with your color scheme. Create pages. Use the Pages section to add essential pages like About, Contact, and FAQs. Write engaging content that reflects your brand's personality. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your design looks good on mobile devices. Most big Cartel themes are responsive, but double-check how your site appears on smaller screens. Test your design. Before launching, test your website's functionality, including navigation and checkout processes. Ensure all links work and that it's easy to find products.